Hi guys! So, since Windows 11 was leaked, I decided, well, let's see what it is. Let's create a virtual machine. I'm sure a lot of other people have done this already, but I'm gonna do it myself because I haven't seen what this is. So, without further ado, let's install it on a virtual machine. And Windows, of course, and Windows 11, of course, is not in the list, so we'll choose Windows 10 64-bit. Click Next. 2 gigs of RAM, create the disk, BDI, dynamic is fine, 50 gig should be okay, I am assuming. Now we're going to go into settings, enable bidirectional clipboarding. System 2 gig. I think it needs EFI, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna give it two processors instead of one. Enable those. 128 meg of video memory. Sure, why not? It auto choose this graphics controller, so I guess we'll go with that. Typically in Linux, it's this one, but yeah, and we're gonna enable 3D acceleration as well. Now storage, this is the disk, and we need the Windows 11 ISO file. Now, I'm not gonna tell you where to get an ISO file for Windows 11. You're gonna have to figure that one out for yourselves. All right, network, I usually do bridged. 0 port, don't need that. USB 3 is fine. Shared folder, don't really care about that for now. All right, we are ready to go. So let's start this baby up and see what happens. It moved to my middle screen. Hang on. There we go. Capturing this right now on my left screen. So yeah. Okay, so now we're all a little bit surprised about Windows 11 because they said at some point, I believe, that Windows 10 was gonna be the last version of Windows, that you never needed to worry about new versions of Windows. But since Windows 11 was leaked, that does not seem to be the case. I live in Sweden, so I'm gonna choose time currency and keyboard method Swedish. Language is fine. I want English. Install now. Okay. Here we go. Now, I haven't seen anything like screenshots or anything like that. Obviously, I don't have a product key because I don't even think you can get a product key for Windows 11 right now. So we're gonna skip that part for now. And there's a whole bunch of different things. Let's go with the Pro for Workstation and see how that works. Accept the license and click Next, Custom, New, Apply. It's gonna create some extra partitions for the MSR reserved and system partition. That's fine. Click Next. And now we just wait for Windows to install itself. And in the meantime, yeah, like I said, we're all a little bit perplexed by this Windows 11 leak. Because like I said, I don't recall it myself, but a lot of people have claimed that they have said that Windows 10 was gonna be like the last version of Windows, that they were gonna support it forever. But they have actually added an end of support date for Windows 10 now on their homepage, which is I believe it's in 2026, so it's a long time away. So you don't have to worry about anything. And I don't know if they're gonna offer upgrades to 11 for free if you're running Windows 10. I don't know. I think they did that for Windows 7 to 10, right? Or what is it, 7 to 8? They offered upgrades for free. So they might do the same here. I'm not sure. We'll just have to see, wait and see. Right now, obviously this is a leaked version of Windows 11. It wasn't supposed to be out there, but it is. So we're taking a look. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna install this on my workstation or anything like that. I'm just curious to see how it looks and how it differs from Windows 10 and things like that. So VirtualBox is perfect for that. When it comes to VirtualBox Guest Additions, I'm not sure if we can install that. We're gonna try and see if we can get this baby up in full screen mode. If not, then we're just gonna run it in a windowed mode. And here you can see the standard Windows getting ready, the swirling dots and stuff like that. And yeah, I'm not like super excited. I know a lot of people are like, "Whoa, Windows 11, whoa, super excited." Like I'm not like that at all. I just wanted to see what this is. I haven't looked at any screenshots or guides or anything like that at all for Windows 11, so I don't know how it looks or what the new features are or anything. So yeah, we're gonna take a look together here and see what this is. And this is very familiar from Windows 10, just a moment, and the swirling dots and all of that stuff. It's it's initializing the OS and everything that it needs. All right. Interesting. Is this the right country or region? Yes. Keyboard layout. No. That's a little bit weird because I chose Swedish keyboard layout when I installed it, but want to add a second keyboard layout? No. Checking for updates. Okay, well, maybe there are updates that it needs to download. I don't know. Let's see. Right out of the gate, it looks a lot different from Windows 10. Set up for personal use. Let's add your Microsoft account. No. Can I skip this? No account. Create one. Sign in options. Offline account. Yeah. Sign in to enjoy the full range of Microsoft App services. If I click next, will it? Oh, okay. So I have to do offline account and limited experience. Okay. My name. Confirm the password. Security question. What was your name of the city where you were born? Well, I mean, all of these are kind of pointless. Cat. 203. Oh my god. City. Boston. Okay. Now, my childhood nickname. Boy. All right, there we go. Let Microsoft not use your location. No. Not that it matters really in this VM, to be honest. Find my device, no. Send diagnostic data, required only. Improve inking and typing, no. Get tailored experience with diagnostic data, no. Let's use advertising ID, no. Oh my god, this is like Windows 10. It also asks all these obnoxious questions when you're installing. It's like, come on, shut up, go away. All right, getting things ready for you. This might take a few minutes. Do not turn off your PC. Gotcha. Now, this, I mean, it looked a little bit different from Windows 10, but it really felt like Windows 10 with all those questions and stuff. This graphics is new though. I haven't seen this before. The background with the blue ball and stuff like that. Now, I am curious if we can install the VirtualBox Guest Additions on it. Like the Windows 10 64-bit version. Because that should allow me to run this in full screen. Hopefully, maybe we'll see. If not, then whatever. Almost there. And look at that. We are in. Hey. What is this? Recommended. Get started. How do I get rid of this stuff? These are the apps that are installed, like Paint, Notepad, Alarms, Photos, Calendar. If I just click here, okay, it went away. Okay, so this looks very different. I don't know. I'm not a huge fan of having this in the middle of the screen. I'm so used to having it here, but what happens if I go into full screen mode? Okay, so display settings. Display, HDR, scale. Oh, I can't choose the resolution. Okay. What if we install? What if we try to install the guest edition? What would happen? Is it even possible to do this? Okay. The sound is looping for some reason. Oh my god, that's so obnoxious. Okay. Okay, let's see if this install works or not. Install. Yeah, reboot now. And let's see if it worked. If this worked, then I might be able to run this in full screen, which would be preferable. But yeah, let's see. Okay, wow, that was pretty fast. All right. And now if I go into full screen, nope. No, it does not appear to. I can change the resolution though, but I can only choose 1280 by 1024. Huh. Yeah. Hmm. Hang on. Hey, look! It worked! Yeah, look at this. 1080p. Yeah! Sweet! How cool. Now I have Windows 11 in full screen. Let me pin this. Well, it's in the way of these. Can I like move these? I need to activate Windows before you can personalize. Right, so taskbar alignment, then it's center, so you probably just click left and it will appear here like normal. But I can't do that because I need to activate it, so. Okay. But let's open up Edge. Okay. Can I install Firefox? Like, hello? Uh, okay. Well, no. Yeah, let go away. Firefox. What? Vivaldi? Okay. Download Firefox. Windows 10 should work fine. In Windows 11, I'm assuming. Now, can I like pin this? Yes, pin to taskbar. Cool. And we can close this now. Cool. And then the first thing to install, obviously, is add block plus, because ads are the devil. Add to Firefox. Add. Yeah, sure. Okay. Installing ad block plus. Done. Cool. Now if we go to, I don't know, what's CNN.com. I don't know if they have ads or anything except all. But yeah. Yeah. Hello? Yeah, it seems to work. It's fine. Cool. Cool, cool. Yeah, everything seems smooth and nice. Cool. Yeah, I am. All right. Cool. Now, I don't think I can like personalize, like set a dark theme or anything like that without activating it. Yeah, you need to activate Windows before you can personalize. Yeah, so I can't like set a theme or background or anything. But I mean, obviously, I don't have a product key for Windows 11. I don't think anyone does because it's not supposed to be out. It's not out. It was accidentally leaked. What's this? Task view. Oh, okay. Oh, new desktop. Hey, look at that. Oh, interesting. That's cool. So this has been in Linux for forever, and it's never been native in Windows, but they actually have it now. That's pretty cool, man. Okay. So let's pin this instead. I don't know what happened there. Yeah, so cool. That's pretty cool. Widgets. Okay, no widgets appear. It could be that it's not a licensed version. That might be it. Okay, let's look at the this PC. Local disk C colon 30.8 gigs free of 49. So it takes up about what is it? 19 gigs or like 18 gigs, 18.5 gigs to install Windows 11, at least on this VM. And then obviously if you want more stuff, it's gonna take more. It feels a little bit like, yeah, it's sort of smooth when I move the window, but it's not like super good. Some of my Linux VMs are a lot snappier. They feel a lot better. But this feels good. It doesn't feel slow or sluggish. It feels good. It just doesn't feel perfect. But yeah, it's definitely okay. Okay, so that works. Now, what else should we try? I don't know. I mean, we know. Is this sound still? No. Well, let's reboot it. The sound seems to have started looping for some reason. I have no idea why. Come on, stop. Please. Wait, what? Is it? Oh my god, wait, what the fuck happened? I mean, this is a development version of it, so obviously there's gonna be bugs, so yeah. But yeah, man, it installed fine, and the VBox Additions work fine, so we can run this in full screen, which is really cool. So yeah, I'm gonna play around a little bit more with this, but I don't, honestly, I don't really know what else to try. I guess we could go to YouTube and play like um uh what? Switch anyway. Um yeah, we can go to YouTube and let's search for some music. We can go to DM7 Group, for instance. They make some really cool stuff. And we go to videos and let's see here. This is a pretty good one. Run it in full screen. Let's see how the sound is. Okay. Let's see if it plays like it should. Oh, it's not super smooth, but maybe it's fixed now. Seems to be. Yeah, the video driver. Yeah, this does not seem to work all that well in full screen, but it could be low. It could be that we need a better video driver. The VirtualBox Guest Additions is obviously for Windows 10. This is Windows 11, and it's a development version of Windows 11. So obviously there are gonna be bugs, but let's raise this up to, let's see how loud is this in OBS. But yeah, it seems to work fine. Let's try full screen again and see. It could have been YouTube as well that had to buffer. Because now it seems to be working just fine. Yeah. Yeah, this is completely fine. The sound sounds great. The video plays like it should. No issues. And going in and out of full screen works just fine. Yeah. Yeah, so it was probably just my guess, it was probably YouTube or Firefox or something. Maybe it's, I mean, again, this is a development version of Windows 11 and we're running VirtualBox Additions for Windows 10, so obviously there's gonna be some slight issues here and there, but yeah, this seems to be working just fine, which is cool. All right, cool. So we tested that. Now let's. This is a bug though. Yeah, the sound, when I stop a sound, it starts to loop. Yeah, that's really annoying. I don't know what causes that bug. Again, this is a development version, so yeah, we have to. Unfortunately, we have to restart because I don't know how to get rid of it otherwise. But the good thing is it restarts really quickly. Another thing I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try VLC. Let's try Spotify. Yeah, let's try Spotify. Okay, let's see. Hopefully the yeah. All right. Okay, so let's go download Spotify. And I'm probably just gonna just download it and just play a song or two. See that it's working. Maybe play like a Joe Rogan podcast or something. Log in. Okay, so I need to, first of all, I need to do this because I never remember my password. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna blacken the screen just for a short amount of time. I might cut this out. And we are in. And this standard Windows Defender thing comes up. And private networks, yeah. Okay, cool. So this is my Spotify account. Now settings, the first thing I usually turn off is this sidebar there. Okay, so let's go to this this playlist here and play. What should we play? Maybe this one. Hello? Huh. Interesting. Okay, that worked. A little loud. But okay, now it's working. Okay. Yeah, seems to be working just fine. Cool. Now let's search for. I think I have him followed, but he doesn't appear to be in the list. I'm not sure. But let's search for Joe Rogan, the Joe Rogan Experience, and let's just play his recent podcast. Just a short. Just a short while to see that it's working.
Hey Joe. Hello David. Always good to see you, my friend. How are you?
Likewise. Feeling great.
I enjoyed you on the Lex Friedman podcast. I learned some things.
Yeah, seems to be working just fine. No issues at all there. Cool. So Spotify is working just fine. Nice. What else did I want to try? Oh yeah, I wanted to try VLC. Okay guys, we are back, and I installed VLC without any issues at all, and what I'm gonna do now is try and play a music video. I'm not gonna play the entire video, I just wanna see if this works or not. So without further ado, let's play this Rihanna vs M83 mashup.
Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
Yeah, and as you can see in here, it is playing without any issues at all.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Now the only issue is that when I stop this, when I stop this video file, it's gonna start looping the sound. There's some bug in Windows 11, or maybe it's the VirtualBox Guest Additions. I don't know, but obviously that's not gonna be in the final product, so I'm not too worried about it. But you can hear it now. They are just quit VLC, and yeah, you can hear it starts looping. Yeah, and in order to fix it, you have to reboot Windows 11. But yeah, that's the only issue I've found so far. Everything else seems to work just out of the box. Windows 11, it feels fast, it feels stable outside of that annoying sound looping bug. It sounds good, feels snappy. In terms of customization, like obviously I would like to have these over here, but I can't do that without a license, and well, obviously I don't have a license because Windows 11 is not out yet. But yeah, anyway, that's basically what I wanted to test, and yeah, that's it for this video, and until next time, bye bye guys.